Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto Call of the Day episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and we're going to jump in and just look to see if we're live or not first of all, and then we'll see if we can get it on live. It's stuck there now. Let's go back. We are live. Good, we're live. We'll just turn this off and go to the chat area. Okay, we'll look at Bitcoin first. Just jump over. So Bitcoin price is over 3,800. Fantastic. So when I was on live this morning, it was just touching 3,700. Thought it was going to shoot up. The next level was going to be the 3,800 level, and if it broke through that, we're on our way up to $4,000. And so we've broken 3,800. You can see this was a symmetrical triangle that we were kind of looking to break out of before the beginning of March. Done that already, and it's kind of nearing our third target. Our second target is 3,800. It's broke that already. Then the next target is 4,075-ish. So still got a way to go for that, but could break that, and I would imagine a lot of shorts are going to be closing their position just now, which is going to further kind of enhance this kind of price rise. So we'll need to wait and see what happens with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin looking good. Now, the only thing when I'm making calls then in premium group, so I make calls in the premium group using just Binance tokens. That's all we use, just Binance just now, because it is the best and safest exchange out there so far, I think. I feel so. We just kind of trade on Binance. So I make a call on Binance, and if it goes up, and I want it to go up within 7 days, up by at least 10%. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. So it's going up quicker than normal, so we'll have to change the time frame that I use. Normally I make calls using the daily kind of chart, but we go to a quicker time frame of 4 hours when it's rising quicker than expected. And Bitcoin is rising quicker than expected. When it's a stable market, we use the daily. When it's a quicker market, we're using the 4 hourly. And when it's going down as well, depending on how quick it's going down, we tend not to make the calls. And I tend not to make the calls. So I'm going to show you first of all. We'll just jump over. Well, I'm going to jump over first of all just in the chat area, just to make sure everything's okay. We've just got a couple of people in. Barbara McDonald is in. A Telstra is in. Good to see you. Be Free is in. Matthew Parks, Ross Davidson, Adam Forrest, Sardi Yaha is in. Barbara McDonald, is it XRP Nano? Be Free XRP? Nope, it's not any of them. I was just making sure everything was okay because I had problems the last time. Okay, so what I'm going to show you first of all is the previous calls I've made on the YouTube call of the day. And here's the previous calls. You can see all of them here. The average gain for all the calls I've made so far since the 20th of December is 17.76%. And the last one was ONT, went up 15%, still in play. We've still got about 4 days left of ONT. NEO, still in play just now, is up nearly 5%. And the other ones are all out of play just now. And the most recent ones, PundiX was up 23%, LTC, Litecoin was up 22%. So this is the one we're going to be making today, and today it is Eternity. That is today's call of the day. I've already made this in the premium group, but that is today's call of the day. Eternity, that's the AE, and we're going to call that 11,200 Satoshi. So just type that in. Call of the day, AE on Binance at 11,200 Satoshi. I'll just type that in just so when I can see the video, when I go back to it, I can see that okay. So it's AE on Binance, 11,200. Just take a look at the order books for AE. It's kind of going up slightly. 11,230 it is to buy just now. Order books, the buy orders are looking okay. 3,000, 1,000, or 2,000, 1,000, kind of all the way down. So we're looking okay. It did come down a wee bit, but I do expect this to go up. And here's why. Obviously, looking at the charts, the kind of charts point of view, we'll be looking at it. It's coming up for a daily crossover. On the daily, it's coming up for the 70 EMA crossing over the 50. We've also got on the 4 hourly. It crossed over already. at 10,695. And it's kind of stabilising just now, it's starting to stabilise, but there's more news coming out for Eternity as well. If we look on CoinMarketCal, they're attending Nakamoto's Den conference in Cyprus on the 19th and the 20th. So that's good for them. They've got the first network hard fork coming up in a couple of days' time as well. That's on the 20th. They've got end of phase 1 migration, that's on the 28th. So users will still be able to migrate their AE tokens after the end of phase 3, as long as they don't use a smart contract. So I've got more details there. And they've got the Minerva mainnet release as well coming out. The second mainnet of Eternity, called Minerva, will become active around March the 6th. So there's a lot of stuff going on for Eternity just now, and I expect a kind of a jump up from here. And we've also got the recency effect as well. If we look at Eternity before, back in January, we're talking, what, 4 or 5 weeks ago, it did go up to 14,628. Generally, what happens, what I've seen happening, this is just my observation, generally what happens when we get a crossover like this, we kind of tend to jump up later on when we get a big kind of crossover and a big jump up, because this jumped at the time, it was about 40-50%. So that was as recent as 4 or 5 weeks ago. So when it comes back down, as inevitably it does, for the retracement, and then it crosses back over, we usually see a big jump of around about the same level. So around about 14,000, 14,500 Satoshi, we're kind of looking for this jump as well, and possibly beyond, because we'd already jumped up from a low of about 10,000. We're now kind of started the move about 10,700, so it might go beyond that as well. So just take a look on the daily again. So we're looking to go up to around about 14,500, and we'd say 14,200 was the kind of breakthrough point, was the resistance level. If we go through that, could go even higher. So I'm looking for a good jump up for Eternity. So 11,200 officially called for the day. So I don't know if anybody's into that just now, but I still think that is very much in play just now, and I think that's going to happen over the next couple of days as well. Okay, we'll just jump back to the chat. Gina saying, what's up? BTC, we've kind of looked at that already. We'll have another look. Stephen Seedhouse is in. Be free, invest more BTC or XRP now. Yeah, I do still love kind of XRP as well, and obviously BTC. So just take a look at BTC again. 3,819. So it looks like it's going to have another jump up. We're just going to take a look at the shorts. BTC USD shorts. Yeah, going down again. So it was going up a wee bit, it's come back down. 23,952 BTC USD longs. Yep. Highest it's been for a long time. And it's kind of reached kind of near an all-time high since it's been starting to get recorded. So it's close to an all-time high. So it's looking good for Bitcoin just now. We'll just go back, BTC USD, and we're looking at the Bitstamp price, 3,820. Looking good. So the next target I would say would be around about the 4,000, be the psychological 4,000 level. We'll just bring this down a wee bit. Yep, so it'll be the psychological, and it might even reach that today. It might break through $4,000 today. And what else is happening on Binance? We've got Bitcoin Gold, and we'll just have a look on this. It gives you up to date figures. Yep, Bitcoin Gold, Komodo, hot is up. GTO called that as well, and the premium called ENG, and the premium called Ethereum in the premium group. So that's it for today. If you want to join us in the premium group, if you've not already joined, you can. There's a link down below to join us. It's not just for the calls that we get like this every single day. Nearly every day, sorry, not every single day, but nearly every day. It's for the group as well. We've got a brilliant group of people in there talking crypto and talking intelligently about crypto as well. That's the main point. And a lot of people have made good friends in that group as well. So it's a brilliant group to be part of, just to talk crypto and to understand things as well. You can ask questions as well, and there's a lot of experienced members in there as well. So if you want to join us, be brilliant to see you in there. The link is down below. We'll just one last jump over to the chat area. Studio 10 is in. Why is XRP price down in Binance? It's up in CoinCap. I don't know. Afternoon, Steve. Crushed those likes. Rob Fiddler. Excellent. Almost £3,000. Studio 10. What's almost £3,000? Zardy, I'll join. Excellent. Be good to see you there, Zardy. Rob Fiddler, you've made some great calls lately this, so I'll have to join Premium Group. Brown Rob, that'll be good to see you in there as well, mate. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it. That's Barbara McDonald. My pleasure. Appreciate you joining us. Dennis van der Heijden. Hi to you. We're just leaving just now, but that's it for today, for the call of the day. So it is Eternity at 11,200 Satoshi, and hopefully you'll see a big jump up within the next 7 days or so. Okay, until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.